Imagine a world where safety technology is easy to understand and accessible to everyone, regardless of experience or background. Welcome to WearVue, the patent-pending technology that's democratizing safety across industries. Our mission is to make wear monitoring solutions visible and to remove people from the line of fire where possible. Inspired by Kanban, our color system acts like a traffic light, giving clear, actionable cues. Green means go, yellow signals caution, and red calls for immediate action. This traffic light style system is incredibly effective because the human brain processes color cues faster than any other visual information. Color can be recognized by the brain in as little as 13 milliseconds, a near instantaneous response that can be life-saving in high-risk environments. WearVue's visual wear monitoring system provides real-time, color-coded insights that transform the way industries approach maintenance and inventory. So, there you have it. WearVue's about more than just tools and tech. It's about protecting your workforce, securing your assets, and building a future where safety is second nature.